Techniseal's line of cleaners, stain removers, and protectors have new labels, but still make paver care as easy as 1, 2, 3. Before gathering family and friends. Before protecting your pavers from damage. Restore your pavers with Techniseal's line of stain removers and cleaners. Before a protective sealant can be applied, new pavers are especially vulnerable to staining. Old pavers have their share of grime, oil, and organic stains. Each Techniseal Step 1 stain remover is made to tackle the toughest stains. Professional-grade oil and grease remover is ideal for spot cleaning older, penetrated stains. For fresh oil or barbecue grease stains on a sealed surface, dirt and grease cleaner is the ideal choice. Rust remover effectively removes rust stains without discoloring pavers. With a minimum of scrubbing, organic stain remover will remove moss, mildew, and dead leaves, wine, blood, and non-greasy food stains. Paint, tar, and rubber remover will dissolve tire marks, paint, tar, and chewing gum. Efflorescence, slab cut stains, and haze from some polymeric sands must be cleaned prior to applying a protector. Each Techniseal Step 2 cleaner will have hardscape looking its best and ready for Step 3. Cleaning the entire installation with heavy-duty paver prep will dislodge stubborn efflorescence and brighten up the color of pavers. Paver Restore will clean up any haze or slab cut stains and have pavers looking their best before applying a protector. Before applying any Techniseal product, always read the instructions found on the product label and in the technical data sheet available at Techniseal.com. Protect your investment with one of Techniseal's Step 3 multi-surface paver protectors, available in a wide range of finishes and formulations for use on patios and pathways, driveways, and poolside. To protect without any embellishments, choose Natural Look for a matte finish in a water-based formula. Natural Look All-in-One will seal, stabilize, and strengthen joints without changing the overall look of pavers. Seal, stabilize, and strengthen paver joints with the smooth finish of Satin Look All-in-One. Enhance the original color with Color Boost. The matte finish is ideal for slip-prone surfaces. Wet Look All-in-One will seal, stabilize, and strengthen joints while adding a permanent glossy finish. Solvent-based with low VOC, Wet Look High Solid will seal, stabilize, and strengthen joints while adding a permanent sleek glossy finish. Breathable and rapid application with an antifungal film, WL87 3-in-1 Protector seals, stabilizes, and strengthens joints. A semi-gloss finish will enhance the color. Now you're ready to gather your family and friends and enjoy. For more information, visit Techniseal.com. Techniseal, the total hardscape solution.